Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Multifunction Detector with Laser Rangefinder, the model PMME 5A1. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manuals, two 3A batteries, on a green and black color with green buttons. In the past I have made a similar product with red buttons. You can check right in the corner. Large display to check all the values, the suspension point and the measuring edge, the AC wire detector, metal button detector, stud button, the on-off button, mode button, the miss button, memory button, plus equal button, the function switch, distance, detector or laser within the created spirit level. Here. Nice. And here we have the holding needle buttons. Press these two and here we have the needles. One here and one here. I don't know if you can see that. Perfect. Push here. And it is very friendly for any surface. Soft pad. I like that. Here we have the laser beam aperture and the receiver lens. Small and compact. So I need a screwdriver to install the batteries. On-off switch. We can see here it says laser. We can see the laser line. You can use this laser line horizontal or vertical with these two needles, only on a soft material like wood. Here we have the wood. For vertical or horizontal, use the spirit level, press these two plastics with the needles at the wood. Now it is very steady, it doesn't move, very safe. Draw the line, and that's how you can use it for vertical or horizontal. This laser line. Pull to remove. After a few seconds it will switch off the display. Press to turn on the display again. Nice! Next we can go to the detector. There it is. Let's say for AC wire, or metal, or stud. AC wire first, you can press this button. Underneath the table I have a thick wire. The thickness of the table it is 29 mm and maximum on AC it can measure on a depth 35 mm. So let's search for the AC wire. Oh, there it is. We have sound. I like it. Nice, it works. Let's check on metal. Press and hold again. Now on a metal the maximum it is 24 mm. Oh yes, there it is. I like it. My table it is as I mentioned 29 mm the thickness. Nice, it works. And we can check now for stud. So this is the plaster wood. Underneath there is a wood, a stud. 38 mm the maximum. And let's find that. Oh, there it is. Okay, nice. Now let's go at the distance. Press the MES button once to turn on the laser. There it is. And you can start the measurement. There it is. Another one, press again. The storage. Press once. The second storage. MES again. Another measurement. Storage. 2, 1. Press and hold the storage button to clear. So easy. If you want, you can enable the continuous measuring. Press once. Press and hold for 2 seconds the MES button. And we have the continuous measurement. Press once to end. Next you can use the plus equals button, take a measurement, plus equal, another measurement, and there it is, equal, another measurement, I like it, very convenient. Press and hold the storage button, and now you have other type of measurements. Press and hold again, back. Clear. With the mode button, you can go at square feet and measure. First measurement, and second, and we have the results. Or press the storage button, press and hold, we have the square feet. Press and hold again, square meters. Mode button, cubic meters. Take the first measurement, second, and third, and we have the results. Press and hold the storage, cubic feet. Mode button again, automatic measurement. Starting the countdown from 10. There it is. Just love it. And again, square meters. You can add. I like it. You have so many options. Amazing. Now let's check if the measurements are correct. Let's make a comparison. Display on. So the laser is measuring from the back. 120. Correct. 120. I like it. Now the maximum measurement, it is 20 meters. Let's check that. And here we have different measurements. 21. Okay. I like it. For a single budget-friendly tool that combines stud, metal and wire detection with a laser rangefinder, it is incredibly versatile. Its ease of use and reliable performance make it a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. It's the kind of smart tool that can save you a ton of time and prevent costly mistakes, and it's a great investment for any workshop. If you found this video informative or simply appreciate seeing powerful and smart tool in action, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool reviews, DIY projects and workshop tips. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other tool reviews and DIY gadgets right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Keep those projects precise, and I'll catch you in the next one.